Hello, and welcome to this video on Python dictionaries. In this video, we'll explore the basics of dictionaries in Python, how to create and manipulate them, and some common use cases for dictionaries. So let's get started. A dictionary in Python is a collection of key-value pairs. Each key in the dictionary maps to a value, and we can use the key to look up the value in the dictionary. Dictionaries are useful for storing and retrieving data quickly, and are often used for lookups and mappings. Let's start by creating a dictionary in Python. We can create an empty dictionary using curly braces, or we can create a dictionary with some initial values using curly braces with key value pairs separated by a colon. In this code, we are working with dictionaries in Python. First, we create an empty dictionary called my_dict using curly braces. This creates a dictionary with no key value pairs. Next, we create a dictionary called my_dict with initial values. Each key value pair is separated by a colon, and the pairs are enclosed in curly braces. The keys are apple, banana, and cherry, and the corresponding values are 2, 4, and 6, respectively. These dictionary operations allow us to store and access data using key value pairs. Now that we have a dictionary, let's see how to access the values in it. We can use square brackets to access the value associated with a key in the dictionary. Let's see an example. In this example, we're accessing the value associated with the key banana in the dictionary my_dict. The value 4 is printed to the console. Note that if we try to access a key that doesn't exist in the dictionary, Python will raise a chi-error exception. We can also update the values in a dictionary by assigning a new value to an existing key, or by adding a new key value pair to the dictionary. In this example, we're updating the value associated with the key banana to 5, which currently is set to 4, and adding a new key value pair to the dictionary with the key orange and the value 3. Finally, we use the print function to actually see these changes that took place. We can also iterate over the key value pairs in a dictionary using a for loop. When we iterate over a dictionary, the loop variable is assigned to the keys in the dictionary. In this code, we are iterating over the keys of the dictionary my_dict and printing each key value pair. The line for key in my_dict initiates a loop that iterates over the keys of the dictionary. Inside the loop, we retrieve the value associated with each key using the syntax value equals my_dict key. This line assigns the value corresponding to the current key to the variable value. Then we print the key value pair using the print statement, which displays the key and its corresponding value. This loop allows us to iterate over the keys of a dictionary and perform operations on the associated values. We can delete a key value pair from a dictionary using the del keyword. Let's take a look at an example. In this example, we're actually deleting the key value pair with the key banana from the dictionary my_dict. To be able to see it actually deleted, we first print the original dictionary and display its values. We then delete the key value banana. Once that is deleted, then we just view the dictionary again using the print statement to see the updated dictionary. This is just to show you that it actually deleted the item from the dictionary. We can copy a dictionary in Python using the copy method. Let's take a look at how that is done. In this example, we're creating a copy of the dictionary my_dict and assigning it to a new variable called new_dict. I'm just using a print statement at the end here to show you that the new dictionary actually has the same values that we copied, and it's not just a blank, empty dictionary. We can also merge two dictionaries in Python using the update method. Let's take a look how that is done. So this is the code. Now let's simplify the explanation. In this code, we have two sets of information, dict1 and dict2. Think of each set as a collection of items. Dict1 initially contains the items A with a value of 1 and B with a value of 2. It's like having a list of things and assigning a number to each item. Dict2 contains the items C with a value of 3 and it with a value of 4. It's another separate list of things with their assigned numbers. Now the line dict1 update dict2 combines the information from both sets. It's like taking the items from dict2 and adding them to dict1. After this line, dict1 will have all the items from both sets. A with a value of 1, B with a value of 2, C with a value of 3, and with a value of 4. So in simpler terms, the code merges two sets of information, adding the items from one set to the other set. Similar to list comprehensions, we can also use dictionary comprehensions to create dictionaries in Python. Here's an example. In this code, a dictionary called squares is being created using a dictionary comprehension. It assigns each number from 0 to 9 as keys, and their corresponding squares as values, resulting in a dictionary with key-value pairs representing the numbers and their squares. The output will display the contents of the squares dictionary. When we try to access a key in a dictionary that doesn't exist, Python raises a chi-error exception. However, we can specify a default value to return instead of raising an exception using the get method. Let's take a look at an example for that. In the code here, we are accessing the value corresponding to the key orange in the dictionary my_dict. If the key exists, the corresponding value is assigned to the variable value. If the key doesn't exist, the default value of 0 is assigned to value. That's it for this video on Python dictionaries. We've covered the basics of dictionaries, including how to create and manipulate them, how to access values in a dictionary, how to iterate over a dictionary, and some common use cases for dictionaries. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching. Let's catch up in the next lesson.